Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got a box from GAN. This is their New Year's stuff. I actually don't know all that's in here. I've not checked it out. This, I thought it was a mat, but it actually looks like a bag. I will not talk while I'm crinkling things. Oh, wow. This is a big tote bag that's like double as deep as I thought it would be. What? I guess I could put cubes in here and mats and other stuff. Okay. So I'll put that here first. Now we do have a mat, so actually let's put that away and I'll actually just take out this mat. So for those that don't know, and I'm not 100% informed on the whole history of it, but for the Chinese New Year, each year there's a different animal, and it rotates. And so this is the year of the snake, and so you can see that here. We've got this nice square mat. There is this calendar, so I'll put that up on my wall. A sticker set for one side for GAN, and are these like door hangers? What is this? This is like a whole event gift bag. This is not just like a basic thing. Oh, I am not exactly sure. It looks like this could bend down to go in here, or there's something goes. No, it can bend down to go in there. So just like an envelope or a card, and like this. Okay, so what am I looking at? There was no instructions. I guess I could look them all up, which I'll do that. I'll look it up. PB 3.28 seconds. Someone could translate this, that'd be great. I could, if not, well, I'll Google image it as well. So we have all of that stuff. Let's get to the big puzzle though in here, which is their special edition. It's in the 356M box, or ME. We've got a tool in there to change some of the tensions, our bag, that sticker set for the white side, or for, I guess, the yellow side, whatever side you want. Now, here's something. Ooh, that's really nice. Here's something that I really like about this special edition as opposed to previous special editions GAN has done. This is competition legal. In the past, they've done ones that are completely transparent, and you can't use them in competitions. Well, you could sticker them and use those, but ones that are just a lighter shade. Actually, wait. The sticker transparent can only work if you can't tell the other colors of the stickers. I know there's a recent change in some of the rules, but this is competition legal. We've got this nice bright yellow underneath here. We've got that tension system, which is what the tool is for, where we really have 3 different compression settings or tension settings. Performs like the 356. No core magnets with this, just the classic design. Although, I don't remember so many ridges in the feet of the pieces. So that might be a newer thing, or I'm just forgetting it at this point. With that said, let's just do some solves with this. Whoop. Functions like a GAN cube. Awesome. So yeah, this is the New Year's bundle. Can you just buy it somewhere? Let's see here. Totally. So on SpeedCube Shop, they have the 2025 New Year edition. It's only $19.95. There are other ones still around, the special edition, which has that transparent plastic, which you can't use at a competition, but it's a really fun one to have. They have a limited edition that has blue internals, the V1, the V2. But yeah, you can get this right now. It is available to ship today. The mat's not there, so I don't know where those ones are, but the cube is. So if you'd like that, and with this nice little bag here, which does feel extremely nice, it's there. Thank you again for sending this over. Please hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, keep following SpeakTube Review for more news and reviews.